I am back. We're going to try this one more time to see if it works or not. Alright, so I built my little thing here. And now what I need to do is take 12 of these 1x4s and go like this around the circle here. Yep, they're all one apart. I'll put this like this. I should have one more here. One here. And then one here. Now let's make sure that's correct. Yep, and then I have one here, one here, one here, and one more right there. So they go all the way around. Now I have a small conundrum, but I will fix it when I get a chance. So I need this one. I need to come in. Okay, so this one should go here. This one's going to go right there, as you can see what I'm doing. And then this is going to go right like that. Oh, no. It goes like that. 3 and 2, this one like this, and then this one's going to do the same thing. Yep, that's how that's going to look. Okay, weird as that is. Now this one goes all the way in the back. There we go. See, that looks a little better. A little more evenly spaced. I think the water tower is going to go here, or actually I think it's going to go here. I'm not sure what's going to go there, but okay. So now I'm going to guess come back 3 from there like that. Yep. And do this one here, this one right up against there. That one like that. Okay, cool. Okay, and then I need this one goes like this. And this one goes like this. Yep, just like that. Okay. So these black ones are going to go like this, but not in the corners. Yep, just like that. Make sure the snot is facing out. Then I'm going to put these two here on the front because I have to find 2 more to put on the back end, which I can do later. So I've got all those. Okay, so now I'm going to put these. And this is where this is going to get really cool, because these are going to go like right like this. And basically finish this off. Why am I missing something? Oh, okay, no, I'm fine. Just looked weird, but Watch this detail come in here. This is going to be so cool. So just keep going around in circles. This is going to be the top of the building for the Daily Bugle. And they put some pretty good detail into the sides. Yeah, and yeah, it's going to look good. It'll be great. Like that, like that, like that. And like that. Like that. Because most of the action for this building is on the front. But it's cool that they made it a full square. Then I'm going to take these 1x4s and I'm going to put these right on here. Like that. There we go. So it kind of rounds out this building with a neat little sill like the windows have, all the way around the top of the building as well. So as you can see, there's the top of the building. Yeah, make sure this bench is that pointing that way. These are like this, and yeah, this is going to sit on top of the building. But I'm going to call it quits for tonight. This is my last video for the night, and then I'll come back to it later on in the week. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Thanks for watching.